shredded chanterelles with lobster mushrooms, sautéed in a cast iron skillet. Whew, can't wait for it to be ready. Okay, so I'm stirring it now with the lobster mushrooms down there on the bottom, and I'm cooking some potatoes with it. What we're gonna do, basically they are gonna be like baked potatoes. I'm just cooking it, and when the potatoes are ready and the mushroom is ready, we're gonna split the potatoes just like baked potatoes. Sometimes I bake it in the oven, but now it's quicker to cook it, and top it with this yummy mushroom. Can't wait for it to be ready. Oh boy, I'm gonna have to hope you didn't there. I've been busy listening to my gypsy music. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. So what I did, I put olive oil in the cast iron. Olive oil, freshly cracked black peppers, just a hint of turmeric, and oh yeah, a few flakes of pepper flakes, and that's pretty much it. And then I'm covering it. At the end, when it's gonna be ready, I'm gonna add some crushed, chopped garlic and more olive oil at the very end when I turn it off. So our potatoes are cooking. Oh, it's gonna be so good when I top it with the mushrooms. It's just out of this world. And of course, when you eat it with some fresh wild plants, simply out of this world. So life is good here on the southern Oregon coast. See you in a bit. Okay, time again. So I always make a whole bunch because we do eat lots of wild mushrooms, and it is just delicious. Just stirring it again because obviously I don't want to burn it. And this one has the lobster mushrooms and chanterelles, and the reason for that, because that's what we picked last time when we were out foraging. I do like to mix different mushrooms because I think they taste much better. So what I'm gonna do now, sometimes I put a hint of wine in there or kombucha or whatever I have, but I have some wild mushroom tea right now. So I'm gonna put just a tiny bit in there and let it cook a little bit longer. See you in a bit. Okay, stirring time again. And I'm also going to be putting a little bit of sea salt in there, about this much. I have tried many different pans to make mushrooms in, but I came to a conclusion and we found that it's best in the cast iron. It just gets, I don't know, very tasty and very good in there. So I think it's gonna need a few more minutes, but I will let you know how it will look and come out. Okay, so I just turned it off and added the garlic. So I'm gonna, at the very end, a generous amount of garlic. It's perfect with the mushrooms, and also the garlic paste will kind of soak into the olive oil, because now that I turned it off, I'm gonna be adding some more olive oil as well. Actually a whole bunch. Olive oil is very good for you and very healthy. I use all organic of everything, and of course the mushrooms are wild mushrooms. And this way I do not use any butter, since my forest rooster is, for some reason, he's getting heartburn from it. So I use oils for cooking, olive oil, and it perfectly just marinates into, oh, I'm getting a standing ovation. Yes, yes, it's so good, so beautiful, so tasty. Yes, thank you. It's just perfect. We will top the baked potatoes, and oh boy, it's gonna be just absolutely perfect. So this is Chanterelle mushrooms with lobster mushrooms, the Hungarian way. See ya guys next time. So here we are. It's ready. This beautiful chanterelle with baked potatoes and violet plant salad. Bon appetit. Enjoy.